Okay, I removed the little stack of washers and this bearing race or whatever it is from over here, which I was using as a pull knob. And now I'm going to, believe it or not, I'm going to freehand this thing. It should be exciting, or somewhat of a drag. Either way, it's going to get done. So, you know. Here we go. At a certain point, we got to start in with the sandpaper, the coarse sandpaper, and actually I'm going to start in with a couple of coarse files. Stand here, back over here, and pull a file, you know, from the tooth side, and bear down on it. Maybe I can, except this end is still kind of flat. So I guess I better make the knob end smaller again. You know, better get in there further, you know. Oh boy. Actually, a flap wheel on the welding grinder might be a better bet. But, you know, we're going to give something a shot. No telling what it's going to be next, boys and girls. Alrighty. Okay, we've done a little bit of sanding with the 120 sandpaper. And it looks a little better. Basically, close up, it looks like this. I'll give you a real close up here. If I can hold the thing still enough. And, you know, I got most of the vibration marks out. And now let's see, I'll bring it in focus for you. There's still some chatter marks. But, you know, and it's mostly half round at that end. And looks like a piece of corian. That crack is still visible, which is kind of a worrisome thing. Yeah. Maybe I can leak some MEK down into it with a hypodermic needle. You can still see the chatter marks there. Yeah. But hey, okay, I wet sanded it a little bit with this 3M wet sanding sponge that's in that tray over there. Yeah. And it looks like this now. You can still see some of the chatter marks. But, you know, it's better. Okay, I don't know what grit that sanding sponge was. But here's my stack of boxes. I'm going to set the iPad on top of the stack of boxes and give you a real close-up view here. Bring it in focus for your viewing pleasure and whatever. And yeah, it's got a nice sheen to it. You can still see some of the chatter marks. Lady Chatterley's lever. But hey, it's got a good sheen thing working with it, you know. I could get all the chatter marks out, I guess. But hey, you know, why bother and whatever, huh? Looks like maybe the crack is gone. Break your mother's back with that crack there, you know. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Left center of your viewing screen area. Oh boy. But maybe I can leak some MEK. Maybe I'll scrub it some more with that sponge. I don't know. You can see the sheen at about 1/3 down. I have wet sandpaper all the way to 2000, but I don't really go for a shiny look. I'm going to be touching this thing, you know. But maybe I'll get some more of the chatter marks out. I could switch to 60. Switch to 60. Sand it with some 60. Then with some 120. Oh, and then that sanding sponge again, maybe. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. No decision. It's coming along, though, you know. That's what it looks like. Okay, so far. There's your sheen factor. From the wet sanding sponge and whatever. There's your chatter marks. And there's your crack. There's your crack. It may be the arbor screwing in too far into the knob, but I kind of doubt it. Well, it could be, however, because the corian's 7/16 thick, and the arbor's a half OD, and so it may be spreading it out as it goes in near the knob end. It's got a nice sheen to it.